looking for somebody to sell my house to. They had really good reviews, and we look like an honest person.
Yes, that's exactly what I was going to say. It was very easy, went very smoothly. He gave us plenty of time to move out of our home.
They even extended our time so we could have time to move out with no problems. I was a little nervous, but you explained everything to the last detail.
Yes.
That's what I liked.
Yes.
And every question you answered.
Yes.
We had 5 other investors, and all of them were lowballing us. All of them.
Exactly.
Except for Kobe.
Yes. He's the one who gave us the best price, too.
Oh, yes.
Yes, definitely.
Definitely. I recommend Kobe to buy your house.